Hi guys, welcome back. So today I think it's a good time to kickstart Diwali, and honestly this year has been pretty blah in ways more than one, and festivities is actually the only thing which would get you back on the track and give you some hope, some love, some happiness. I am a big Diwali person. I have loved Diwali all my life and I'm definitely not missing this year as well. Neither should you, in my honest opinion. So to begin with, I think it's very important to make your skin look the happiest and the most beautiful that it possibly can be. So it's time to give your skin a nice long pampering session. What I use, I will be showing you today. So without making this any longer, let me jump right into it.
Any facial starts with cleansing, so I'm using rose water. I'll spritz it on my face. I'll take a cotton swab, normal any cotton pad, and clean my face of any dirt, any pollution जो भी चेहरे पे है, it has to first come out. Of course, do not forget the neck. Very important to clean the neck as well. Those are some dirty results. Step 2 is scrub. I'm using the St. Ivy's Radiant Skin Scrub. It has pink lemon and mandarin in it. It has very mild exfoliants. I don't do chemical exfoliation, I do physical exfoliation, but this is a fantastic scrub. Really gives a very soft skin after the scrub. And in case you're worried or wondering about my pimples, don't worry, they are my monthly visitors. They visit me every month. It's because of my hormones and they eventually go away, so I could do anything but they'll still visit, so don't worry about them. They are my good friends. And yeah, scrub well for 5 minutes. And again, don't forget the neck. Point to keep in mind, never scrub vigorously. बहुत ही gentle pressure से scrub करो because the skin is delicate. And yeah, don't be rough. Step 3 is steam. Now that the pores have been opened up with scrub, it's time to take out any dirt and to purify those pores. Steam is a fantastic step and it's very essential. And abhi coronavirus ke time mein to steam is advised either ways, so this works wonderfully both ways. I'm doing it with normal water, but you can put rose petals in it. Step number 4 is masking. So now is the time to make a mask. I'm using Nature's Tattva's Multani Mitti, the good old Multani Mitti. I'll take a scoop of it. This Nature's Tattva brand is fantastic for natural products. I'm also adding neem powder to it because I have pimples. This is an absolutely optional step, but neem powder works very well for acne prone skin. I'm putting a very little amount in it. Adding normal water to it to make it into a paste. You can also substitute this with rose water or aloe vera gel. And if you have dry skin, add curd to this mixture. It will really help to put moisture in your skin. As soon as you achieve a pasty and a nice consistency, apply it all over your face. Don't apply it near your eyes. It can irritate, it can cause irritation. Also, don't apply it to your lips, but don't forget your neck, very essential part of your face. Apply a good thick layer. Apply properly. Kanjoosi nahi. Multani Mitti is again one of those ingredients which has been in our culture for a long time now. Multani Mitti helps with reducing pigmentation, helps in reducing tan, really effective for acne, and neem also works fantastic for acne. While you wait for your mask to dry, it's a good time to get some water. Drink a glass of water and see you after the face wash. Now that the skin has been cleared properly and it feels fantastic, it's time to close those pores. My most trusted way is icing my skin. It feels a little cold, but it really helps me in shrinking those pores. They say कि direct ice नहीं लगाना चाहिए, but it works for me. If you can't tolerate direct ice, please put it in a cloth and use it. But this is a very good way of closing your pores and also relaxing your skin. Finishing off the skincare with some moisturization, I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel. Use any cream, serum, moisturizer that you use. Please give back the skin the moisture that you have lost during this process. You can use anything that you apply on your face now. Massage it properly in your skin. Always massage upwards. That could be your cheek, that could be your neck. Anything, massage it always upwards. Now that the skin is well taken care of, it's time for the lips. I'm using a very good lip balm. It's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Use a heavy lip balm and give those lips a nice layer, because abhi dryness is only beginning and it is only going to get worse. And we are done.
So that's it from my side for today's video. I hope it helps you get some motivation, some kick to finally kickstart Diwali and to start getting ready for it. Because of course, I don't think you should let go of these festive days, because बहुत ही कम उम्मीद रह गई है from this year, and you should definitely not let these days slip away just like that. I hope you have a fantastic festival season. Take care of yourselves. As far as this channel is concerned, you know what to do. Please share with your friends if you like the video, and if you have any other suggestions, please drop them in the comment box below. I will definitely do my best to make it happen for you. Take care of yourselves. Have a fantastic Diwali season. Loads of love. Bye.